So this is what a neural blanket video looks like before it actually becomes a video. Every sound starts here, in FL Studio. No loops, no stock audio. I build every sound from scratch. This sound concept has 3 layers. First, white noise that gets gently shaped into a brown noise base, EQ'd until it feels warm instead of harsh. Then a slow, isochronic pulse underneath, barely audible, but there. And finally a saw bass so low you feel it more than you hear it. From here it goes into the video editing program, where I add a fitting animation to it. If you're curious what the finished result sounds like, check out my channel.